Tony, all kinds of loose in that hot pink car there. Again, guys, for you guys that are interested, that is a four-wheel drive short course. It's actually a Plaid with some mods done to it. It's got different chassis and all that stuff on it, but that is a modern Plaid. Just Tony and Robert finding their way to each other all night. One thing I've learned about Oval guys, a lot of them do not have patience. Right now, Gary Wyrick laying it down. He's going to try to put these guys to lap down.
4 minutes left.
4 minutes to go. Three minutes, 45 seconds to go, guys. Gary, Tony, Robert, that's the order. Right now, Gary's on 35.506. Gary's got fast lap of 82. Tony's in that second spot. He's on a 33.505. He's 4.7 back to Gary. He's got a faster lap of 7.8. Roberto's in third. He's on a 35.01. He's 7 seconds behind Tony. He's got a fast lap of 8.9. So if you wonder, your leader's in the silver truck. Tony's in that hot pink ride, and Roberto's in the white one.
Minutes left.
Alright guys, Gary's still leading the way. Tony's trying to catch him. Tony's only 5.3 back now. We got Roberto. Gary's trying to put Tony a lap down. Tony not letting him have it though. Oh, Tony pulls off. Tony's done. Tony's done. Alright guys, it's the Gary and Robert show. Hey Tony. Uh-oh, Roberto's getting squirrely. Turn forward. Gary goes right by him.
Minutes left.
Alright guys, 2 minutes to go. 2 minutes to go. Tony, go ahead and pull off, buddy.
I can still put hot when it goes by.
She's getting a little hot on you, huh?
Good job. Alright. No, you're alright. I figured I'd better off.
Minute 15 to go, guys. Minute 15 to go. Oh, something don't sound good.
Hey, Robert, help me.
Robert, you might want to throw that thing off, buddy.
About 2 laps.
All right, Gary, let her eat, buddy. Let her eat. You got a minute.
Yeah, probably.
Seconds. When you come around, you're done, buddy.
Call 1 and 10.
Gary Wyrick, guess what?